Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Google Search Console with your Shopify account. So how do you do that? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Shopify account. Of course, this is it right here. So because this is a beginner's tutorial, I'm not going to assume that you know how to create a Shopify account. Now, the good news is you can access Shopify using any browser of your choice. Right here, I'm currently using Chrome. So from your browser, locate the top corner where you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type shopify.com and it's going to take you to the official website. In there, follow through with the on-screen instructions or on-screen prompt to create an account. And once you're done going through with the processes, which is self-explanatory, and you're done creating an account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage in Shopify, which is customized for you. So let's hop into today's text, which is how to connect Google Search Console to your Shopify account. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to run through all of these options in Shopify. Now, check the left corner, you're going to find Home, Others, Products, Customers, Content, Analytics, Marketing, Discount, Online Store, Point of Sale. Now, I would like you to get acquainted with all of these options because once we get back into this place, we're now going to explore its features. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to be shooting or we're going to be displaying from the Google Search Console website itself and Shopify. So we're going to juxtapose both and see what we can do to connect both of them together, which is of course the core and the essence of this tutorial. So this is Google. So I'm just going to have to open up the Google search. So this is Google Search Console. How do you access that? In your search bar, just type Google Search Console and it's going to take you to this official site. So you don't have to go through the rigorous process of creating an account manually because your Google account is already in your system. So it's just an automatic account creation process for you. So now that we're here, this is the home page. This is just exactly what the Google Search Console looks like. So from here, at the left corner, you're going to see Add Property. Click on Add Property, and then here you're going to see this plus icon. So go ahead and click on Add Property. So now that you click on Add Property, sorry about that. So Add Property, and then this pop-up comes up. So here in this URL prefix, here you're going to have to enter the URL of your store in Shopify. So how do you find that? So heading over to my store in Shopify, and then this is my store, AfiBooks. Of course, how do you access your store? Head over here, online store, click on this eye icon, and it's going to open you up to your store. So this is my store. And as you can see, this is my code at the top corner there. So I've highlighted it, Control C, to copy that. So I have copied that and I'm going back to my Google Search Console. So here I have this prefix Control V. So this is Control V, all right, and I'm just going to remove this slash at the end, and then I'm going to click on Continue, and this is verifying property. How this opens up because, all right, so this, because sometimes you will be asked to unlock your Shopify store before you can access all of these settings so that, you know, because if you do not subscribe to the paid version in Shopify, then they will not be able to unlock your store. But if you're using the free subscription, your store will be locked and not be accessible to customers until you upgrade. But now that we're here, I think that's just pretty cool. This has been verified successfully. Scroll all the way down, you're going to find HTML tag. So click on that HTML tag, scroll down, and then here where you see copy the meta tag below and then present to your site's homepage. This is what you're going to do. This is the meta tag, so click on copy, and now you see this banner that says copy to clipboard. So I'm now going over to my Shopify. So this is Shopify. I've already copied that HTML. Hope you can remember the process. So here, this is the left corner. Now click on Online Store. So the Online Store opens up an extended menu. Yeah, you find themes, you see blog post, you see pages, you see navigation, you see preferences. So this has opened up, which is a theme. I just want to click on theme, which is definitely the first thing that you will find here. So it's in my online size password protector. That's awesome. So now, before we can make changes to this theme, we really need to duplicate this theme already. That's just for safety purposes. So before we start altering your theme with codes, you need to duplicate it. So click on this three dots menu right here and then click on duplicate. So it has been duplicated, and I'm just very excited that it has been duplicated. And you can see it's saying copying your theme, and this has been. So right now okay, so right here I'm going into the official theme. That's this first one up here. So I'm going back to click on this three dots menu and then click on edit code. So right here in the left corner, you're going to see add a new layout, password liquid, theme liquid. So go ahead and click on theme.liquid, and here you go. So just right here, you see the first thing is, you see is doc type HTML, and then you see the class, you see Node, and then you see head. So from this head, just click on it, which is number 3, and now click on enter so you can create space for 4, so that just after the head of your theme, it's now going to show the Google Console. So now that we're here, just go ahead and click on Control V. So this is the Google site verification and the meta tag, of course, for the Google Console. So now that we have done that, click on save here at the top right corner. Once that has been saved, we can now go ahead to preview our store to see if our changes have been reflected. So it could take some time for the Google Console to be there. So that's just it though. Well, once you've gone through the process, just be sure that you have already done that. So once you head over to online store, click on this eye icon, and once you do, that's going to take you to your store, and you'll see how that has already been affected. You're going to now see the Google Console in there. Trust me, we're kind of having connection issues, so we're not able to preview properly. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.